If you have IR LED or IR ED and IR receiver, you can make proximity sensor. You can transmit any data and you can receive using IR receiver or phototransistor. We will transmit data from here, we will receive here using optical light, IR light. Let's make this circuit. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe it. If you want to watch my videos in future, you can press bell notification for all so that you will be notified for my future uploads. IR LED, IR transmitter, IR ED or IR LED. It is 5 mm body size. It is different than a simple LED. Simple LED 1.8 volt and maximum 20 milliampere current. But IR transmitter, it will drop 1.2 volt to 1.8 volts. Maximum 100 milliampere current can be provided to this LED. It will not transmit any visible optical light. It will transmit infrared light. We cannot see its light using our normal eye, but we can detect using camera, or we can use phototransistor. We will connect IR LED, long lead anode pin, short lead cathode. If we want to turn it on, we need a power supply. Either it is constant signal or we can use any pulsed signal. Let's suppose I want to use 5 volt. I will need a resistor. We can connect resistor at cathode or anode in series. What is the resistor value? V supply minus V LED divided by I LED. I will use 5 volt power supply. Minus V LED, I will consider 1.5 volt. Normally 1.2 volt to 1.8 volt. Maximum current 100 milliampere. We will not turn it on at 100 milliampere. We will use for short distance. I will use, we can say 30 milliampere. 5 minus 1.5 divided by 0.03, 116 ohm. If I will use 20 milliampere, I will use 175 ohm. If you want a long distance, then you can use 50 milliampere. In that case, you will need 70 ohm resistor, but power rating will increase. Now I am using just only at project board. It is best 20 milliampere. I will use 175 ohm. If I will use 150 ohm, 5 volt minus 1.5 divided by 150 ohm, I square R. This is amount of current square 150. 0.08 watt. That's good. I will use this quarter watt resistor. As we mentioned, long lead anode, short lead cathode. We will connect at anode or cathode 150 ohm ground. Anode will be connected to positive side. That will be transmitted through this IR ED. I will use phototransistor. Its part number is PT204-6B. It is 2-pin component, but its symbol is transistor. Basically it is transistor, emitter, collector, and this black lens. There is optical window here that works as a base. If you are using same power supply, then we will connect it here. Otherwise, if you want to use separate power supply, we need isolated circuit, we can use separate power supply. To make it visual, I will connect LED, and we will need a resistor here. When there is full light, transistor will saturate and maximum voltage drop across its VCE, voltage collector to emitter junction, collector to emitter saturation voltage 0.4 volt. We will consider 0.4 volt. We will use LED. I will use a standard 5mm red LED. In this phototransistor, the long lead is emitter pin, short lead is collector pin. Collector will be connected to positive side. Now both components are facing to each other. Short lead collector, long lead emitter. Its long lead will be connected to this emitter. Long lead with long lead, short lead here. If you are using any power supply, let's suppose I am using same 5 volt power supply. 5 volt, V supply minus VCE saturation minus V LED. We want to know the resistor value. I LED. This transistor can handle maximum 20 milliampere current. Our LED is also 20 milliampere maximum current. We will not reach at maximum limit 5 volt minus 0.4 volt, that are saturation voltage, minus 1.8 volt for LED. We will run this LED at 10 milliampere, 280 ohm. I will use standard resistor 330 ohm. $337. It will remain in safe limit. Total current now, supply voltage 5 minus VCE saturation voltage 0.4 volt minus LED voltage 1.8 volt divided by 330 ohm resistor. This is calculated resistor and I am using 330 ohm resistor. 330, current will 8 milliampere, 0.008. That's very fine. Now 0.008 square multiply with 330, quarter watt resistor is nice. Let's apply power. Common here, positive here. If you are designing for 12 volt, the same way you can calculate the resistor. Perfect. We have our required result now. I connected positive supply here. This time it is transmitting light, but we cannot see with our normal eyes because it is infrared. Anytime the path is blocked, it will turn off because this light will saturate this transistor and it will allow voltage to the LED. When the path is clear, the light is on. Whenever the infrared light is blocked, LED will turn off. So we will receive a signal. So it is the simplest way to use IR transmitter, IR receiver. If you think this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.